What's up, everybody? The weekend's almost here and we're back with another video.
Join us right after this. David, what are you doing now?
Well, it rained so much last week. 6 days out of 7 days it rained. I'm just being prepared for this week. But we went back down to Tall Pines Harbor Campground and it was such a rainy weekend, but we still had a good time.
That's right. This weekend was a grand opening of Hurricane Grill and also their heated pool and splash park. So we had our rain boots and swam in the rain. Still had a good time.
Yep, it was a very nice weekend. It was a wonderful weekend. So what we're going to do is show you how that weekend went right now. This video is a little bit different. We've got a lot of music, a lot of still pictures. So just sit back, relax, get yourself a snack or something like that, and listen to the good music and watch the video. All right, so let's go check it out. So it's Friday afternoon and it's our camping weekend. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is raining like cats and dogs. It's been raining since yesterday and it's supposed to rain until tomorrow, but what can you do? Can't mess with Mother Nature. You can't change Mother Nature, so we'll just have to make the best of the bad situation. So come along with us and see what it looks like for the rest of this rainy day. All right?
How'd that happen?
Good.
All right, go back over and test your shoes out in the water. Yeah. Test your shoes out in the water. No splashing, though. How are those boots working out?
Awesome.
Fine time to test rain boots when it's pouring raining outside, so at least they're working out great.
Yep.
Hi. How you making out, sweetie?
All right. It's not pouring. It's just cloudy, but it's wet.
I see you guys are hustling.
We're gonna be all right.
All right. How you making out, Pop?
I'm doing it.
Okay.
I'm doing it, baby.
Okay.
All right, everybody. It's a pretty rainy weekend, so we are inside Grace right now, and I've been tasked to do a couple of honeydews. As you might have seen in some of our previous videos, we have accents, some red accents inside of Grace, and we're going to put another color inside of Grace. So we went with a teal color. So Kim has asked me to help her put up some other teal items, and we're going to do that right now. So what we're going to do is we have this, she purchased this beautiful eat sign. We're going to put that over our dining table. So we'll take care of that now. And as you also might have seen in one of our previous videos, we love command tape. And that's what we're using. Two-sided command tape. So I'm going to step up on a stool and get this done. Here we go. We want to get this centered right between the middle of the table and this light here. Make sure it's nice and even. And there we have it, our eat sign. Next, we have our count your blessings sign that we're going to put right here. We definitely want to count our blessings because we've been so blessed throughout all these years, and we want to show it inside Grace. So here we go. Again, command tape is the best. And anyone who owns command tape or the people at command tape, if you want to help us out with our videos, we sure would be glad if you helped us out. Thanks. Bye. All right, continuing with our turquoise colored theme, Kim wants me to put this sign on our island. So we're going to do that next. Here we go. Want to make sure it's nice and centered and straight. How does that look, babe?
Looks good.
There we go. Next, on this side, we're going to put these two flowers here just to give it a little bit more color. Check it out. All right, so we have our command tape on the back of the flowers. We're going to put this one here where it's level with that sign. Our second one will be a little bit lower to give it a little bit of symmetry. Make sure I don't put it upside down. Good?
Yep, perfect.
And there you have it. We added a little bit more color to Grace, and it makes the RV look a little bit more like home. All right? Thanks a lot.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome, baby.
So that was our video of our rainy weekend. We watched movies, we played games, got some honeydews done.
Yes. Sometimes, you know, it's not going to be the perfect weather when you go camping, and you just have to make the best of it, which is what we did. So, again, we had a great, wonderful weekend, and we hope that you enjoyed the video, and also we hope that you like and subscribe. Give us that thumbs up. And here's once again hoping that you have
A wonderful weekend.
Thanks for subscribing. See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye. David, what are you doing now? I'm sorry.
Do it again.
David, what are you doing now?
Well, it rains.
Even the dog is staring at you. She's been looking at you the whole time.
Whenever you ready.
I can't stop laughing. Every time I look at you, these things are dangling. I'm sorry. Okay.
Wait.
I'm not even gonna look at you. Okay. David, what are you doing now?
Well, it rained so much last week. It rained 6 out of 7 days. So I'm just being prepared.